Okay, intellectual sparring partners. So, ano tong intellectual sparring? Ito yung mga tao na pwedeng mag-critic, pwedeng mag-question sa iyong critical thinking. So, yun lang siya. So, merong mga tao talaga na, kumbaga, hindi naman necessarily na sinasalungat ka, but they're trying to put they try to question your thinking para mapaganda pa o mailabas pa kung ano yung gusto mong palabasin. Yun yung positive. But yung negative is kino-question talaga nila yung iyong thinking dahil they view it as wrong. They view it as a hearsay, halimbawa. Okay? So yun yung intellectual sparring partner. Yun yung mga tao na laging sasalungat sa'yo na dapat maging constructive lagi yung tingin mo ron, but not all the time. Kailangan kong sinasabi kasi may mga tao talagang sinasadya. Hindi na intellectual sparring partner yung kapag puro mali mo yung nakikita. Okay? So, yung intellectual space naman, kay pang eduk to, tsaka pang business. Intellectual space is anything intellectual. Concepts, examples, and other scholarly thoughts. Yun yung intellectual space. Kasi may mga tao na they believe in their intellectual space. So, being too confident at your intellectual space could also mean your downfall also. So, yun lang pa.